Alright, Julia's eating cauliflower. She is 10 months and she loves it. And Levi's over here just waiting for her leftovers. She's hungry. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Hi, Mama. You hungry? You hungry? Are you getting messy? Are you getting messy? Hi! Don't... Julia.